Right now, there are thousands of local businesses that want to use AI, but they have no idea where to start. They're hearing about AI everywhere. They know they should probably be using it, but most plumbers, dentists, gyms, and contractors don't have time to learn Zapier, Make, learn how to prompt, or use automation tools. That's where this opportunity comes in. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI automations that you can build in an afternoon that local businesses will actually pay for. No coding required, and most of these can be built using Zapier, OpenAI, and a few free tools. And if you package these correctly, some of these can sell for $500 to $1,500 setups. Let's jump in. Before we jump into the first automation, I want to give a special shout out to the sponsor of this video, Storyblocks. If you've been watching this channel for a while now, you know I'm constantly editing videos, screen recordings, and tutorials. And one thing that speeds up my workflow a ton is having a massive library of assets ready to go. And that's exactly what Storyblocks is. It's basically an all-in-one creative toolkit for video creators. You get access to a huge library of real, professionally shot footage, music, sound effects, and templates all in one place, so you don't have to search across 5 different websites. I use it all the time when editing videos like this, whether I need background clips, sound effects, or motion graphics to make the visuals more interesting. And everything is royalty-free and pre-licensed, which means that you can safely use it in monetized YouTube videos or in client work. They also have AI workflow tools built in now, like AI voiceover powered by 11 Labs, and video editing tools powered by Runway, which helps speed up production without replacing real footage. So, if you want to start telling better stories with the same tools that I use, head to storyblocks.com/makerthrive. They're offering 15% off any annual plan for a limited time, and that discount is only available through my link. All right, now let's get into the first automation. Okay, so starting with automation 1, an AI lead response. This first automation is something that almost every local business struggles with: responding to leads fast enough. If someone fills out a form on a plumbing website, there's a good chance that they won't hear back for hours. But the first company that responds usually gets the job. So here is the automation. When a lead comes in through a website form, we use AI to instantly generate a response and send it automatically. Here is the Zapier workflow. The trigger is new form submission. This could come from Typeform, Webflow Forms, Gravity Forms, Google Forms. Then inside of Zapier, we add an OpenAI step. The prompt could be, write a friendly response to a plumbing service request. Confirm the issue, ask 2 qualifying questions, and offer a same-day appointment. Zapier then sends that AI-generated message directly to the customer. You can send it through Gmail, SMS using Twilio, or even WhatsApp. So instead of waiting for hours, the customer hears back within seconds. And the business instantly looks more professional. So here are the 3 steps in Zapier for this automation. The trigger is a new form submission, action, OpenAI, create chat completion, and then action, send email or send SMS. And then the next action, add a lead to Google Sheets. Next, we have automation number 2, an AI review request. The next automation solves a huge problem for local businesses: getting Google reviews. Reviews drive rankings, trust, and new customers, but most businesses forget to ask. So this automation sends a personalized review request after every transaction. Here is the Zapier workflow. The trigger is a new payment received in Stripe or Square. Then we pass the customer's name and service into OpenAI with a prompt like, write a friendly SMS asking a customer to leave a Google review after their haircut. Keep it short and appreciative. The AI writes the message automatically, then Zapier sends it through SMS. An example that the customer could receive is, hey Sarah, thanks again for coming in today. If you loved your haircut, we'd really appreciate a quick Google review. It helps our small business more than you know. You can also even include a direct link to the review page, as well as a small offering like 10% off your next service if the review is completed. Businesses love this automation because it passively generates reviews. Now here are the steps for Zapier. The trigger is a new payment, either in Stripe or Square. Action, OpenAI, generate message. Action number 2, Twilio, send SMS. And optional, add a review request log to Google Sheets. Next, we're going to talk about automation number 3, AI social media content. A lot of local businesses know they should be posting on social media, but they either forget or run out of ideas. So this automation automatically generates social media posts every week. Here's the Zapier workflow. The trigger is a weekly schedule inside of Zapier, then OpenAI generates posts. An example for the prompt can be create 3 Instagram posts for a local gym. Include a hook, short caption, and a call to action. Zapier then saves those posts somewhere that the business can review them. For example, they could put it in Google Docs, Notion, or Airtable, or you can go a step further and automatically schedule them. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite integrate directly into Zapier, so now every week the business gets fresh content automatically. Here are the steps for Zapier. Trigger, schedule by Zapier, let's make this weekly. Action, OpenAI, generate posts. Action number 2, create Google Doc. And then optional, Buffer, schedule post. Automation number 4, a missed call follow-up. This one is honestly one of the most valuable automations for a local business because most missed calls are lost revenue. Contractors, plumbers, and service companies miss calls constantly when they're out in the field. This automation automatically sends a text when a call is missed. Here is the workflow. The trigger could be missed call detected in Twilio. When that happens, Zapier activates an OpenAI step. The prompt for OpenAI could be write a short, friendly text apologizing for missing a call and asking how we can help. Then the message gets sent automatically. Here's an example of what the message could look like. Hey, sorry you missed your call. How can we help today? We'll respond as soon as possible. Now, instead of losing the lead, the conversation continues. This automation alone can easily justify $500 to $1,500 setups. Here are the steps for Zapier. The trigger will be a missed call through Twilio or whatever provider you use. Action number 1, OpenAI, generate reply. Action 2, send SMS. And optional is you can add this lead to your CRM. Now let's talk about the final automation, AI appointment reminders. This final automation helps businesses reduce no-shows. And no-shows cost service businesses thousands every year. So this automation sends a personalized reminder before the appointment. Here is the Zapier workflow. The trigger is a new appointment scheduled in Calendly or whatever provider that you use. Zapier waits until 24 hours before the appointment. Then OpenAI generates a reminder. Here's an example of the prompt for OpenAI. Write a friendly appointment reminder for a dental visit tomorrow at 2 p.m. The message is sent automatically through SMS or email. Here's what that message could look like. Hi, John, just a reminder about your appointment tomorrow at 2 p.m. Reply if you need to reschedule. And then you can also add upsells, such as if you'd like to add whitening to your appointment, just reply yes. And then now the automation is not only preventing no-shows, it can also generate additional revenue. Here are the steps for Zapier. Trigger, new appointment. Action, delay until 24 hours before the event. Action number 2, OpenAI, generate reminder. And then action 3, send SMS. The interesting thing about these automations is that none of them are technically complicated. You're mostly connecting tools like Zapier, OpenAI, Calendly, Stripe, Twilio, but to most local businesses, these systems feel like magic and save them hours of time. And that's why people are building entire AI automation agencies around setups like this. You don't need to build software, you just need to solve real problems for businesses. Create a couple of these, go into a local business, pitch them your idea, and see how you can help them grow their business or increase productivity. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll have all of these automations in the description below for you to duplicate, and let me know in the comments if you want me to make a follow-up video, such as how people are turning these automations into 5K and 10K AI agency offers. And if you want to see more tools, automations, and AI builders like this, be sure to subscribe. We post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.